there is a new premium bag-in-box solution that will survive tough logistics and stand out as a hero on the shelf. A great way to strengthen your brand visibility and perception. We call it the ultimate bag-in-box, optimized to perfection. The strong materials enable minimum washboarding, minimum bulging, and minimum folding cracks. At the same time, it gives you maximum printability and color reproduction. Our ultimate box can increase your efficiency with up to 15% material savings and 40% less CO2 emissions compared to standard bag-in-box solutions. And it's easy to recycle too. The ultimate bag-in-box created with papers from Billerud.